Ubos na naman ang ating isang oras para sa impormasyon at kasiyahan.
Pero huwag mag-alala dahil next week, siguradong marami na naman kaming inihandang swak na swak para sa inyo.
But before we end, let's have our words of wisdom. Jana?
Yes, ang ating wow for today ay, you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. O, diba? Kailangan lang, sa bawat ginagawa natin sa buhay, kailangan din tayo mag-take risks ng konti. Kailangan take the chance or grab every opportunity that comes your way. Kasi walang mangyayari kung talagang lagi ka lang nag-play safe, diba? Kaya importante din na kung ano mang pagkakataon, sunggaban mo na yan.
And we need to make a choice always and get out from your comfort zone.
Tama.
To be a better person.
Tama. Ayan. And that's it for today. But of course, we have to thank our sponsors muna. Syempre, pasasalamatan natin para sa ating Celebrity Corner si Mike Tan, ang napakagwapong artista na hanggang ngayon ay talagang nasa kasikatan pa rin ng career niya. At syempre si Riza Senon para rin sa ating Celebrity Corner. Kay Dazia Joel Dayat para sa ating Ilocana Act segment. Kay Mr. Pepito Alvarez, Vegan Flower Shop, Sweet and Spicy kay Mama Weng and kay Papa Bong, JTC Mall for What's Cooking segment, Sir Steve Javier and family. Ayan.
To Mr. Noel Javier for the Fire Truck, Eden Garden, Caltex Bantay, Ma'am Dada, hello. To BCS Group of Companies, Ma'am Telma Bautista, Mayor Mark Purisima and to Mayor Kubangbang, to Board Member Christian Basi Purisima and Altamira Salt Division. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much sa ating mga sponsors at sa mga tumulong para maging successful ang ating episode na ito. And please like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/CoreTV10 and follow us on Twitter. Ayan, kaya ang aming Twitter account ay CoreTV10. At syempre, ang aking personal account ko, please follow me at CJ Hakay.
Delmar _Liani17.
Ayan.
And thank you also kay Joe Amores for the wonderful
wonderful setup for today's show. Napakaganda talaga ng kanyang pag-setup. At eto nga pala, ilang weeks na tayo nag-episode pero hindi natin napupuna ang ating ang ating frame na napakaganda. O, diba?
Family picture.
Family picture. Sinisa tayo buong pamilya.
Correct, we're one family here.
Yan, at napaka-happy family. O, diba? Ayan, okay. So, personal greetings na tayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa Hair Day Salon for Men and Women, National Highway Balaling Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Dito po sa JTC Mall, kaya puntahan po ninyo sila for offers dahil marami rin po silang discounts na binibigay sa kanilang mga customers. Ayan. And of course, I would like to say thank you so much to Joyce and Plana of Joyce Bean Shoe Shop. They are selling men, women, and kids shoes at kasama na rin ang mga prescriptive perfumes. Kaya kung gusto ninyong magmukhang maganda at mag-amoy, mabango, punta kayo sa Joyce Bean Shoe Shop. And of course, katabi rin po ng Joyce Bean ang Unstoppable Fashion Shop para naman sa mga dalaga at sa mga working women or kahit sa mga working men out there. Meron silang mga items like Aeropostale, Hollister, Abercrombie, Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, and other imported goods. At dealer din po sila ng tomato clothing. Kaya marami po silang mga magaganda at murang mga items doon sa tomato. So, puntahan nyo na. It's located at the second floor, Plaza Mestol, Bigan City. And of course, ayan, maraming salamat sa Derma First Skincare and Body Center, kay Belinda and Bernadette Arde, Dr. Joy Velasco, and Island Souvenirs. Thank you so much. Hi and happy viewing kay Madel Gorospe, Benjina Casino and family, Roldan Reintegrado, Maria Mabalo and family, Jean Bueno, Elvira Arce, Telma Kinagon of Salindeg, Jeronimo Antonio Singson, Ray Espejo, Anthony Magfati, Oreo de la Fuente, Jerson Paz, Kenly Filarca, Winston Pila, and John Kevin of Ilocos Norte. Ayan, at maraming salamat po kay Mayor Sammy Parilla, kay Municipal Administrator Sammy Boy Parilla, kay Governor Luis Chavez Singson, Vice Governor D.B. Saveliano, and Provincial Administrator Maria Victoria Fu. And hi and happy viewing sa aking tita Maricar, sa mom ko at kay Stretch, at hi din kay Alto, at siya kay Tita Jackie. Yan, so your turn.
My turn. I'd like to say hi and happy viewing also to my mom, to my brother and sisters, and my relatives ko hello there. To Tita Annette Tubon and Tita Presi Napaw, at Juan Luizit from Mexican also and Tamag. To Russell and Wina, to Happy Feet Love ko, family ko, and to Rachel Fernandez, Turay, and Prince, Bibi Ivan, Ma'am Mercy, Ma'am Helen, and Brother Ron, hello. Metro Bank manager si Jeff Carabin and to Chief Villanueva also. Tupperware Brands, Nawag and Vegan. Congrats also to Jessel for his show na talaga naman kinuha na ng tawag ito, Studio 23.
Mapapanood na po natin mga kaibigan ng ating pinagmamalaking biyag ko. Ang dito sa 4TV na ngayon ay mapapanood ninyo sa Studio 23 every Saturday at around 9 or 9:30 a.m. Abangan po ninyo yan dahil Ilocano Pride talaga yan. First time na mangyayari yan na meron tayong isang show dito sa Ilocandia na ipapalabas on national television.
And it's a milestone na Core TV.
Yes, exactly.
Only here in Core TV.
And syempre, we are also very happy and proud to announce na binigyan na po tayo ng MTRCB rating.
Wow!
Ayan, so pwede na po natin ipalabas ang ating mga shows na meron na tayong mga warning or yung mga parang ratings dun sa makikita nyo sa lower corner or upper corner ng ating TV screen. Makikita po ninyo yan. Kaya para po sa matalinong panunood, ayan, kailangan po natin ng MTRCB rating. Diba? At we're so glad na binigyan
talaga yan ng Core
naman.
TV, kapatid. Hindi lahat ng TV stations ay certified or registered ng MTRCB. So that is a great fulfillment of Core TV.
Tama. At saka, syempre, diba, nakaka-proud din naman. Kahit paano, naabot na natin paunti-unti yung mga bagay na yan.
And congratulations to Ma'am Rochelle and Sir Adrian for
Congratulations,
that.
Ma'am Rochelle and Sir Adrian. And congratulations to the Core TV family.
To Sir JP. Yeah.
Ayan, to Sir JP. Maraming salamat, Sir JP Galinato. Thank you for making it happen. Ayan.
Yeah, and thank you also to my friends then out there, sa lahat ng relatives ko rin sa Magsingal. Auntie Linda, hello. Auntie Endring also, hi. At saka sa mga friends ko rin, sina Tita Rina, Tita Jean, Abon, Tita Sylvia, Tita Jackie, lahat sila dyan. Hello sa lahat mga nanonood na may Ilocos.
Hello sa inyo. Ayan.
Yun. That's the end of our show for today. Kaya tumutok ulit next week para sa mas pinasaya
at mas pinabonggang original infotainment show sa buong Ilocania. This is Wake Up Ilocos! Bye everybody!
Bye! God bless!
Love you!
Don't make me wait. When walls are shaking round, feels